For grub control in lawns, use granular products formulated with iron phosphate or biological nematodes for an effective and pollinator-safer approach. Start by correctly identifying grub presence by cutting a 1 foot by 1 foot square of turf and looking for 1 to 5 soft, C-shaped larvae in the top 2 inches of soil. If you find that level, treat the area. Choose an iron phosphate granular label that specifies white grub control and follow the application rate on the bag. Common practice is to broadcast evenly with a drop or rotary spreader set to the manufacturer rate for your lawn size. Time the treatment for late summer to early fall when most grub species are small and actively feeding near the surface, which improves uptake and control. After spreading water the lawn with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of irrigation within 24 hours to move the granules into the root zone where grubs feed. Do not overwater because excess runoff reduces product effectiveness. For biological nematodes, select an entomopathogenic species sold for white grubs and apply them in the evening or on a cloudy day using the hose end sprayer instructions so ultraviolet light does not kill the organisms. Store and handle biological agents per the supplier instructions. Use them quickly after receipt and avoid combining nematodes with chemical products that could reduce their viability. Homeowners often overapply product which can stress turf and waste money, so always measure lawn area and follow label rates and recheck grub counts before retreating. Another common issue is poor timing when people treat in spring, when many grubs are too large and deep to be controlled well. Focus on late summer and early fall for the best results. People sometimes apply products near flowering plants and attract pollinators, so avoid treating flowering turf and follow the precaution to keep treatments away from pollinator activity. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like lawn pest control, and we provide listings and a discussion community where people exchange local experiences and tips. We help contractors find work by allowing them to join conversations and showcase their services to nearby homeowners.